Hello, friends. I welcome you all to my channel Learn English Today. Today's video is going to be a bit different because we are going to discuss some physical movements related to walking. I'll try to add up some words to your vocabulary. So, without any further ado, let's get started. She was wandering through the forest. She was wandering through the forest. Wander, wander, meaning to walk around slowly in a relaxed way or without any clear purpose. Means ऐसे ही घूमना aimlessly, just to hang around, कोई रिलैक्स होके बिना किसी स्ट्रेस और टेंशन के. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. I wandered through the narrow streets. Second sentence. During their vacation, the family loves to wander along the sandy shores, collecting seashells and enjoying the sound of the waves. Wander, बस घूमना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड की तरफ चलते हैं. She tiptoed into the room to surprise her friend. Tiptoe, meaning walk quietly and carefully with one's heel raised and one's weight on the balls of the feet. Means दबे पांव चलना, ऐसे आना, ऐसे जाना पांव पंजों के बल कि किसी को पता न चले या कोई डिस्टर्ब न हो. Example sentences. He tiptoed quietly around the house to avoid waking the children. Second sentence. She tiptoed through the puddle. So, tiptoed, दबे पांव चलना, पंजों के बल चलना, जिससे किसी को खबर न हो. थर्ड वर्ड लेते हैं. The injured puppy began to limp, meaning walk with difficulty, typically because of a damaged or stiff leg or foot. Means लंगड़ा कर चलना, लंगड़ाहट, किसी भी तरह के डैमेज हो जाने से, इंजरी हो जाने से, पैर में कोई और प्रॉब्लम हो जाने से लंगड़ा के चलना, प्रॉपर वॉक ना कर पाना, उसको कहते हैं लिम्प. Example sentences. After twisting his ankle, John had to limp home from the soccer field. Despite the pain, Sarah refused to limp during her marathon, determined to finish the race. Limp, लंगड़ा कर चलना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड देखते हैं. The sudden loud noise made him stagger backward in shock. Stagger, meaning to move unsteadily as though about to collapse. Means लड़खड़ाना, लड़खड़ा जाना, लड़खड़ा के चलना, as if that someone is going to fall and is not unable to walk properly. तो लड़खड़ाना, किसी भी रीजन से. Example sentences. The tired man began to stagger as he walked. Second sentence. Jack had to stagger after spinning around too fast. So stagger means लड़खड़ाना, लड़खड़ा कर चलना. Next word. He strode confidently into the room, commanding attention. Strode, yani stride. Strode is the past tense, meaning to walk with long steps, especially in a hasty or vigorous way. मतलब बड़े ढग भरना, बड़े कदमों के साथ चलना, तेज चलना, कॉन्फिडेंस से चलना. Example sentences. Trying to catch the bus, he increased his stride to cover the distance quickly. Second sentence. The marathon runner maintained a steady and efficient stride throughout the race. Stride, confidence से बड़े ढग भरकर चलना. Skipped. Next word. The children skipped along the path, singing happily. Skip, meaning to move lightly and quickly, making a small jump after each step. मतलब एक पैर पर कूद कर चलना. स्किपिंग जिस तरह की जाती है, स्किप करना. Example sentences: She watched her daughter skipping down the street. Second sentence: To lighten the mood, the clown began to skip around the circus ring, eliciting laughter from the audience. So, skip, to move lightly and quickly, making a small jump. Next, the baby learned to crawl across the living room floor. Crawl, crawl, meaning to move forward on the hands and knees or by dragging the body close to the ground. Crawl means फ्लोर पे रेंग कर चलना, हाथों के बल और घुटनों के बल क्रॉल करना. स्पेशली ये वर्ड रिलेटेड होता है टॉडलर से, छोटे बच्चों से. Example sentences: At the picnic, the friendly puppy tried to crawl into everyone's lap for attention. Second sentence: During the race, children had fun pretending to be animals and decided to crawl like turtles. Crawl. जिस तरह छोटे बच्चे स्मॉल किड्स क्रॉल करते हैं, रेंग कर चलते हैं और हाथों और घुटनों के बल क्रॉल करते हैं. So in today's lesson we have learned following words: wander, tiptoe, stagger, limp, stride, skip, and crawl. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned some useful word. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, happy learning. Thanks for watching.